What's up, guys? This is Cooking with Sadik. Where pretty much I'm teaching you how to cook, but in reality, I got my cheat sheet and I'm actually learning myself how to cook. So today what we're cooking is a protein pancake. I figured we start with something easy and something I've been getting a lot of questions on, what I eat for breakfast. So let's try out a protein pancake today. First ingredient is a 1/4 cup of oats. I'm gonna throw that in there. Next one is a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Got a 1/2 cup of liquid egg whites. And you can use real egg whites, I'm assuming, but I don't really have time to break up those eggs. Probably get a shell or two in there. Dump that in with the rest of the ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I think the baking soda is what makes the pancake so fluffy. Now, last but not least, we're gonna do 50 grams of whey protein from your favorite protein. Right now I'm using GAT Sport protein, vanilla flavor. And we're gonna whisk this all together. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Let's see if this will work. All right. Smells good. Smell the vanilla. So I'm not really sure how much we have to stir this, but we're about to find out. So while I have this being stirred, had to have your stove on medium to high, and we're gonna spray that with a non-stick spray. Make sure I get all my protein, all my gains. So the recipe called for, once it gets hot, you're gonna lower it to a medium to low temperature, somewhere in between there. Now what you're looking for now is the bubbles. Once it starts to bubble, you know it's time to start flipping. I think I made the pancake too big. Like, yeah, that's a big pancake, man. You know, I might have to just with the pan. Ooh. Oh no. No. Not bad. At least I salvaged a pancake. See, we did mess up the house, but pancake looks pretty good. What was I thinking making such a big pancake? I should have did that in 2 pours. Yo, look. Cooking with Sadik. Learning how to cook with Sadik. I should be a pro at this. If I want to break down the macros, it's 50 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbs, but that's before we put in the syrup. I know they do make some sugar-free syrups and they actually don't taste that bad. I discovered this many trips in IHOP, so. Let's cue the dramatic music. Oh my God, what? So if you're like me, I think breakfast is suitable to eat any time of day. Doesn't necessarily have to be morning, it could be morning, night, mid-afternoon, you name it. This protein pancake only took about 5 minutes to make. Super simple. I think on the terms of difficulty to cook, if you guys aren't including the flip, which like raised my anxiety level to like level 10. So difficulty level, I say like 2 out of 5 stars, so super easy. But it's packed with protein. It was quick to make, not much cleanup. Let's see how it tastes. This tastes pretty good. It's got kind of like a chewy quality about it. I think that's the egg whites. Actually, It gives it some good chew and texture. Tastes great. If I would have to rate this meal, if I was gonna give this a Cooking with Sadik score, it's like a 90, 91 out of 100. This is pretty good. So what is that, like an A minus? More dramatic music, because this is my last bite. Gonna miss you, little guy. That was too good. If you guys out there have any recommendations of what you want to see me cook next, let me know. Drop a comment below. Peace out.